Hi, Bruce from Safari, and we're looking at the latest in our lifestyle cases here. And you'd be familiar with the other style that we have, the low profile one. And this one here is a sort of a mid profile. We've got the 85 litre Bushman in it, but we've added a slide out pantry here that comes all the way out. And then we've pulled the induction out further so you can have the pantry out and still get access to the induction. Then we've got three small drawers, and this is a table that we've got on the top here that pulls out. You can set up a table in it. And then the power pack goes in the back there. So probably in this size, we'd be recommending the 48 volt kit. And if it is, you can power your caravan from it at exactly the same time. The beauty of this is weight. So this unit here, as we lifted it in here with the fridge in it, is just under 70 kilos. So super, super lightweight. Then we add in the back the whole power pack, and that probably adds another 50, 60 kilos in it. And that's for Landcruiser 200, Landcruiser 300. How good's that?